Anything you want to start in daytime, you can chant this mantra. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. When you are practicing Surya Namaskara, you can chant this mantra. Om Hiranmayena Patrena Satyasya Pihitam Mukham Tattvam Pushannapavinu Satyadharmaya Drishtaye. Then each round, before you practice Surya Namaskara, chant the mantra and practice the full round. So the first mantra, there are 12 mantras. So you can, in Namaskar mantra, you can repeat this chanting. Om Ram Mitraya Namaha. Om Hrim Rave Namaha. Om Rum Suryaya Namaha. Om Raim Bhanave Namaha. Om Raum Khagaya Namaha. Om Rah Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Ram Pushne Namaha. Om Rim Marichay Namaha. Om Rum Adityaya Namaha. Om Raim Savitre Namaha. Om Raum Arkaya Namaha. Om Rah Bhaskaraya Namaha. Then there is a next, when you are practicing yogasana, so you can chant this mantra before practicing asana part. Om Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacham Malam Sharirasya Cha Vaidakena Yopa Karotam Pravaram Muninam Patanjalim Pranjaliranatosmi. And then when you are practicing pranayama, you can chant this mantra. Om Pranasya Vashe Sarvam Tridive Yat Pratishthitam Mateva Putran Rakshasa Srischa Prajnancha Vidhehi Naiti. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. When you want to conclude the session with all the practice, you can chant this mantra. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. When you want to start your meals, your food, you can chant this mantra, Bhojan mantra. Om Brahma ब्रह्मार्पणं ब्रह्मभिः ब्रह्माग्नो ब्रह्मणाहुतं ब्रह्मेव तेन गन्तव्यं ब्रह्मकर्म समाधिना. ओम शांति शांति शांति. Then when you are in traveling, you are going somewhere in plane, train, bike, car, you can chant this mantra, Mahamrityunjay mantra. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityormukshiyamamritat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Then you can chant the mantra when you are you want to progress in your life, you want to go right direction, you are not sure, so this mantra can be chanted. Om asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. धन्यवाद.